Write 1 meter cubed in litres. So here we've got a diagram which is 1 meter cubed. It's 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Now, the volume of a liquid is normally measured in litres. 1 litre is normally written as 1,000 millilitres. Written like that, millilitres, and we look ml for that. And then 1 milliliter is 1 centimetre cubed. So 1,000 millilitres is 1,000 centimetres cubed. Right, the diagram shows 1 metre cubed. Now 1 metre in centimetres is 100 centimetres. Therefore here this will be 100 centimetres. And therefore this will be 100 centimetres. And we know this cube to be 1 metre cubed. Now, 1 metre cubed will be the same as 100 centimetres times 100 centimetres times 100 centimetres, 100 centimetres times 100 centimetres by 100 centimetres, which is 1 million centimetres cubed. So 1 metre cubed is the same as 1 million centimetres cubed. Now, we know that to be 1 million metres cubed because we've already established that 1 centimetre cubed is equal to 1 millilitre. Therefore, if we divide that by 1,000, then we get that 1 metre cubed is actually equal to 1,000 litres. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to write meters cubed, 1 metre cubed in litres. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.